Get up, get up.
You killed it!
No, I didn't.
Jake!
He's gonna rescue it and put it in the pond.
I'm saving it.
It's gonna die if it stays out here.
It's used to you kind of now.
Who's your pet?
Yeah, let's keep him as a pet.
You're gonna need that towel, probably, Jake.
Yeah, get it. Someone hold me.
Come on, Rochelle!
Oh my, this thing's so heavy.
Are you gonna be able to carry it?
Yeah, I might need some help.
We're gonna put it back in the.
Back there.
She's gonna put it back in the pond.
Where'd that lake go over? Do you have a wheelbarrow? This thing's so big.
Go get a wheelbarrow.
You have a wheelbarrow? Go get a wheelbarrow.
Go get a wheelbarrow. Yeah, go get
I don't
one.
have a wheelbarrow.
We don't have a
Mine's
wheelbarrow?
busted.
Oh, he has it.
Wow, that thing is huge. Oh my, take a picture with my phone.
Ah!
Take a picture with my phone.
Get a phone. Get his phone.
Yeah, I'm finding the camera.
You send it to channel 5 News. Oh my God.
Here.